Welcome. In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I will show you how you can change picture mode. And first you have to tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to go for all settings. Right now you have to find picture mode settings, so tap on it once and enter for the picture mode. As you can see here, we got all available modes, so we have to test all of them and pick that one that fits you the best. In my case, I'm going to stay with the standard. After that you can just simply go back. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.